He'll get it one of these days. His mother believed in him. Let's go. Long shot. Teammates are killing it. That, I swear, M60 overpowered light machine gun using faggot. I thought we was winning. It shows what I know. And can't do that. This is sad, you know.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
Get on the one time I do a commentary, I do bad. We're just gonna be kind of gay, you know what I'm saying? Set that right there. We know somebody on the other team was gonna do it, so we might as well do it before they do. Yep, I'm dead. Go for gold! Nope, didn't work. But see, look, we're at least not going to go negative, and we should honestly win.
Enemy spy plane above.
And then they get a spy plane. Killed him, knew he was going to be there.
Hostile RCXD spotted in your area.
Why can't I turn around, man? That guy just knows. I think Sackett, I ain't really looked into it because I'm still using the same classes I was using about 5 years ago when I knew absolutely nothing about the game. But I think with Second Chance, it actually like makes you weaker. Like, see, he just went down to Second Chance and got destroyed. I got a long shot. And that guy just took all them kills right there, right from out under my nose. Somebody come up the steps. Somebody come up the steps. No. Ouch. It's gotta be a... What? C4. I guess my teammate just killed everybody. Save me! Or not. Alright. And once again, it's really late too, guys. So like, I know, like I said, this one's coming out before the next one, but I explained in the next. But you can't hear me. There's some. Killing it.
Enemy spy plane incoming.
Didn't even have a chance to throw it. That guy's just killing our team. Killing our team. Kill an enemy who has killed me. Whoa, is that dogs? That is dog. That's got to be rigged. It's not rigged. Okay, I'll just take it. My teammate probably hates me. They're going to report me. Now we go. It makes us feel good inside. Now we feel like we're contributing to the team. Not going to go as negative. Shouldn't go negative at all. Get that double kill right there. Get a triple kill if you count the dog kill in there. That guy right there is right there. Got that grenade on the left side. Didn't get no assist off that. Ah, got an M60 up there. Chilling in the window. Got a guy go bouncing off that crate right there. Get a kill with that grenade. Maybe not. Go get up and kill up in that window with that grenade. Missed the window. Go with a concussion. Missed a concussion. Concussion ourselves. Can't move. Can't see. Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? Ah! Oh, that's a friend. That's a friend. Sound like a 10-year-old commentator right there, you know what I'm saying? Alrighty, swing around here. Dang, this video's done 5 minutes long. That is too long. We still have a chance of winning. M60 can't beat the Scorpion. I still like the Scorpion's a lot better than I remember it being. The FAL is still probably one of my favorites. Oh, oh, oh. Yes! Get that cook grenade. Oh. That. Yes! My God, we on fire. Save me, teammate. Please, I'm carrying the team right now. Whew. Oh, hey, look. I was bait. See, I was already dead. They just didn't know it. Therefore, I was grade A bait. Teammate, shoot him. Teammate, shoot him. Teammate, shoot him. How am I? Teammates, my God. I understand we ain't game chat one another, but you could at least, you know, listen to me. Teammates are going to lose it for us. Okay, now look, I didn't just kill myself. That grenade was meant for that guy. It just didn't go off in time, okay? Yeah, my own grenade totally did not put me in second stand, or seconds, whatever it's called. Alright, but if you're watching this, that means that the audio probably went halfway decent. And look, I mean, that was a pretty good comeback. Went from negative to 18 and 11, not bad. 3 assists. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this so it ain't no longer than it's supposed to be. But look for the next future zombie videos, some multiplayer stuff, and if I have the time, I'm gonna try to do some more funny moment edited things with other people, friends that I play with. You know, the hilarious do jig stuff. But yeah, appreciate you watching. Till the next one.